Welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle. This is Glamour Has No Age. Today I am trying on the Dior 5-pan palette that I have right here. And this is in $5.99 new look. Up on here it tells you what's lighter and what's darker. I'm going to go with the lighter combination today. I'm going to take this color right here and put it through my crease. Oh, that's dark. It does blend fairly well. Then I'm going to take my pencil brush, which is right here, another Morphe. I'm going to go into this plummy kind of color. I'm going to use my Oliver blend brush from Sigma. Then I'm going to take my tiny shader brush and go into this color right here. I have to say, that color brought it all together, because I was not really liking this palette to begin with, but now it's doable. Then I'm going to take my mascara. and my thoughts. Be very careful. This palette is very pigmented and it does blend well, but it doesn't blend, I would say, as well as a Natasha Denona does. Or Charlotte Tilbury. But it is a good palette, and I am glad that I picked it up. Well, that's it for my video. If you like videos like this, subscribe, hit the notification bell, give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.